Hello everyone, I am Biswajit Mondal and welcome to my YouTube channel Target Mathematics. So we were discussing the KVS TGT Mathematics paper. Okay, total 100 questions were there. Already we have completed 70 questions. Okay, in the first video I think we have solved 30 questions and the next two videos, in each video we have solved 20 questions. That means 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. Okay, 70 questions we have already discussed, completed. So today we will discuss the last 30 questions. Okay, that is from question number 151 to question number 180. So these 30 questions are the last 30 questions of the TGT mathematics paper. So here also the same thing we will do. We will discuss in detail. Detailed solution we will give for these questions. And the previous three videos who have not watched, if you want to watch them, then just go to the description box. There I have given the links of all the previous videos. So from there you can watch those videos. Okay. So anyway, without delaying, let's start today's session. Let us go to the screen. So this is question number 151. So this is question number 151. So we will see what they are asking in this question. So here they are telling the side of a rhombus is 30 meter and its one diagonal is 48 meter. Okay, the area of the rhombus is what? So we have to find the area of the rhombus. So what we can do then? In rhombus, what do we know? Suppose this is a rhombus. This is a rhombus. Definitely all the sides will be equal. Okay, even if it is not shown to be equal, but you have to assume that the sides will be equal. Okay, and the diagonal will intersect each other perpendicularly. Okay, so this is 90 degree. All these angles are 90 degree. They will intersect each other at right angles. Okay, these all are 90 degree. Okay, these are all 90 degrees. So side of a rhombus is given 30 meter. So this is 30 meter, this is 30 meter, all the sides will be equal. That is known to you. Okay, 30 meter, and one of its diagonal is 48 meter, and a rhombus is a parallelogram, that we know. And what happens in a parallelogram? The diagonals intersect each other, the diagonals bisects each other. Okay, in a parallelogram the diagonals bisects each other. So that means if one of the diagonal is 48 meter, means let us say, okay, let me name it A, B, C, D. Okay, that is a rhombus, rhombus A, B, C, D. Now let us say AC is equal to 48 meter and they are intersecting at the point, say O. This point of intersection is O. Let me say this is O. So if AC is equal to 48 meter, then what will be AO? What will be AO? 48 by 2 meter, that is equal to 24 meter. So AO we have got. Now AO is 24. So now come to the right angle triangle OAB. Okay, triangle OAB, it is a right angle triangle AOB. So here we can write that AB square is the hypotenuse of this triangle. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. So from this relation we will get OB. What is OB? So AB means 30. So 30 square is equal to OA means 24 square plus OB square plus OB square. So OB square is equal to what then? OB square is equal to 30 square minus 24 square. So that is nothing but a square minus b square formula we will apply, a plus b into a minus b. So 30 plus 24 means 54 into 30 minus 24 means 6. Okay, OB square is equal to this. So this I can write 54, I can write 6 into 9. So 6 into 9 into 6. So what will be OB then? OB will be equal to 6 into 3, that is equal to 18. So OB is equal to 18. Then what will be BD? See the figure. The figure whatever I have drawn, see that and tell me what will be BD. BD will be 2 into OB. So that is nothing but 2 into 18, that is equal to 36. Now what we know that the area of the rhombus will be area of the rhombus ABCD will be equal to half into AC into BD, that means half into the product of the diagonals. Okay, so half into, so what is AC? AC means 48 meter. See here I have taken AC is equal to 48 meter, that is given in the question. AC is equal to 48 meter. And what about BD? BD just now I have got, that is equal to 36. So 36. So just do some calculation. 224 48. So 24 into 36, what it will be? 24 into 36, just multiply them. 6 4 24, 6 2 12 and 2 14, 24 3 72. So if you do 4 6 8, 864, is there any option? 864. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so area of the rhombus is 864 meter square. Okay, 864 meter square. So this is question number 151. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 152. So what it is saying, two circular parks are of radius 16 meter and 12 meter. A third park is to be built such that its area is equal to the sum of the earlier parks. Okay, the diameter of the new park. Okay, the area of the new park will be what? Okay, area of the new park, AN, area of the new park. Okay, we are denoting. So this is the sum of the areas of the earlier two parks. Okay, the two smaller parks, sum of the area of the two smaller parks. So what will be the area of the park whose radius is 16 meter? That is pi into r square, pi into 16 square. And what is the area of the park, circular park, whose radius is 12 meter? That is pi into 12 square. Okay, so this is the area of the new park. So if the radius of the new park is capital R, say, okay, if the radius of the new park is capital R, then what is the area of the new park? Pi into r square is equal to, so from the right hand side I will take pi common, so it will become 16 square plus 12 square. So again both side pi will be cancelled, so r square is equal to 16 square plus 12 square. So what is r? That is the question, and that is not the answer, that is the radius. We have to find the diameter of the new park. Okay, so that will be twice the radius of the new park. So anyway, r square will be equal to, now 16 square is what? 16 square I don't know, so I will calculate it. 96 9 16 1 16 9 25 256. Okay, 16 square means 256 and 12 square means 144. So this will be equal to what? 256 and 144. If we add them, 4, 6, 10, 5, 4, 9, 10, 2, 1, 3, 4, 400. Okay, 400. R square is equal to 400. So what is R? That is equal to 20. Root over of 400. Okay, that is equal to 20. Now, whenever we have got R means that is the radius of the new park. Okay, but they are asking the diameter of the new park. They are asking the diameter of the new park. So diameter will be 2R. So 2R will be equal to 2 into 20. That is equal to 40 meter. Anyway, meter, they have given the unit meter. So that will be 40 meter. So option 2 is the correct answer, 40 meter. Okay. So is it clear to everyone? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Question number 153. So what is asked here? In a circle of radius 14 centimeter. Okay, radius is 14 centimeter. The length of the arc is 22 centimeter. The area of segment corresponding to this arc is what? Okay, we have to find the area of the segment, not the sector. Okay, sector and segment are different. So suppose this is the circle and this is the center of the circle. Say this is O and the length of the arc is 22. So I am taking this much length, that is equal to 22. So I will join the center to the end points of the arc. So let me say this is A and this is B. So the length of the arc AB is equal to 22 here. Length of the arc AB is equal to 22 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the segment corresponding to this arc. So segment, for finding segment, what we have to do? We have to join AB. We have to join AB. Now we have joined AB. Now this is the segment. This is the area of the segment. Okay, this is the segment. So this area we have to find. Now how to find this area? Okay, what we will do? First we will find the area of the sector. Okay, area of the sector corresponding to the arc AB. That means this total area we will find. This total area we will find first. Then we will subtract the area of the triangle. Okay, triangle OAB we will subtract. So okay, radius is 14 centimeter. So OA is equal to OB is equal to 14 and arc AB is equal to 22. That is given. So OA is equal to OB is equal to 14. Okay, now how to find the area of the sector? Okay, so for that what we can do, this angle I need anyway. Later on this angle I need. What will be this angle? Otherwise it is difficult to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so anyway first we will find the area of the sector AOB. Okay, area of the sector AOB. So how to find the area of the sector? Now what is the circumference of this circle? Total circumference 2 pi r. So 2 pi r. So this arc is contributing how much area of the circle? Pi r square, is not it? 2 pi r, the total circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is covering the area pi r square of the circle. So now 22 centimeter will cover how much area? That we have to find. 22 centimeter will cover how much area? So 1 centimeter will cover pi r square divided by 2 pi r, and 22 centimeter will cover pi r square divided by 2 pi r into 22. Okay, pi will be cancelled, r will be cancelled, 2 11 22, so it will be nothing but 11 r. So r is what? R is 14. It is given r is 14. So this will become 11 4 44, 11 1 11, and 4 means 15. So 154 centimeter square. Okay, the arc of the the area of this sector. Sector means total area, this total area. Okay, this total area we have got, that is equal to 154 centimeter square. Now we have to subtract the area of the triangle to find the area of the segment. Okay, now how to find the area of the triangle? That, can you tell me any hint? So there is no information given that what about the angle, this angle AOB, what about this angle? Okay, anyway, without telling that also we can do, but even after doing that, if we know this angle also, then what will be the area of this triangle? If it is right angle triangle, then it is okay, but right angle triangle they did not tell anything. Okay, first let us find the angle. Okay, after that we will think about it. Angle AOB we need. Okay, so total circumference I have told 2 pi r. Okay, now total circumference is 2 pi r. Now it is subtending how much angle at the center? 360 degree, is not it? 360 degree, total 2 pi r. This circumference is subtending 360 degree angle at the center. So 1 unit or 1 centimeter will subtend 360 degree divided by 2 pi r, and 22 centimeter, arc AB is 22 centimeter. So 22 centimeter will subtend 360 degree divided by 2 pi r into 22. So what we will get? Now 360 degree I can write 2 pi. Okay, 360 degree is nothing but 2 pi. So 2 pi and 2 pi will be cancelled. So 22 divided by r. R means what? R means 14. So that is equal to 11 by 7. 11 by 7 degree. Okay. No, it will not help us anyway. Okay, anyway, I think some more informations are needed for this question. Okay, question number 153, some more informations are needed, otherwise we can't do like that, because anyway we need the area of the triangle OAB. Okay, if it is of 90 degree or right angle triangle, then it is easy to find. Okay, then what we will get, suppose this angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, it is given. If it is given, it is not given anyway in the question, but suppose it is given that, then we can find the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Okay, then we can find 2 into 7 and 7 into 14, 98. So then the area of the triangle we have got. So the required area will be 154 minus 98. Okay, 8 6 9 1 10 5 and 110. So this is will be 56. Okay, but it is not given. See here, listen carefully what I am telling. In case this angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, then we will get option 3 is the correct answer, 56. But in the question they did not mention anything about this angle. Okay, They did not mention anything about this angle. So how to find that angle? That we don't know. So anyway, this problem is wrong. I think my opinion is this problem is wrong, but you should not forget to tell your opinion in the comment section. Okay, what do you think about this problem? So tell me in the comment section. Okay, so we will move to the next question. Question number 154. Now, four circular cardboard pieces of radii 7 centimeter are placed on a paper in such a way that each piece touch other two pieces. Okay, each piece is touching the other two pieces. The area of the shaded region. Okay, shaded region they have shown here. This is region. This is the shaded region. Okay, we have to find the area of this region. So, okay, take all the centers of the four circles. Okay, all the centers of the four circles and join them So what we will get? We will get a square, okay, of side. What will be the side of the square? So radius is 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. So 14 centimeter. So side of the square is 14 centimeter. So what will be the area of this total square? What will be the area of this total square? So a square, that is equal to 14 square centimeter, or 14 square means 196 centimeter square, that is equal to area of the total region. Now what will be the area of this sector? Area of this sector, what will be the area of this sector? Okay, as this is a square, from the figure we can see this is a square. So this angle will be equal to 90 degree, is not it? All the angles will be equal to 90 degree. This angle will be 90 degree, this angle will be 90 degree, and this angle will be 90 degree. So 90 degree angle will subtend how much area here? How much area it will cover? Okay. So if 360 degree is covering, so here also the same concept we will apply. Total angle is 360 degree at the center. So it is covering how much area? Pi r square, pi into 7 square. Okay. So 90 degree will cover how much area? 1/4 of that. Okay, 1/4 of that. So anyway, pi into 7 square divided by 360 into 90. Okay, 94 360. So it will become, pi means 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 1 by 4. Okay, 7 will be cancelled. So 2 11 and 11 7 77 by 2. This is, so this, the area of this sector is 77 by 2. Okay, so 4 sectors we have 4 sectors, this sector and this sector. Okay, so all the sectors are of same area. So what will be the total area of the 4 sectors? So 4 into 77 by 2. So that is 2 2. So 2 7 14, 2 7 14, 115, 154. So 154 is the total area of these sectors, 4 sectors. So what will be the area of the shaded region or the required region then? Now the total area of the square is what? 196. So we have to subtract 154 from 196. Okay. So 426 549. So 42. Is there any option? 42? Yes, option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer, 42 centimeter square. Okay, 42 centimeter square. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 155. A ring is formed between two concentric circles. Okay, the radius of the inner circle is 17.5 centimeter and the area of the outer circle is 1386 centimeter square. Okay, the radius of the inner circle. Okay, one inner circle is there and one outer circle is there. Okay, so the radius of the inner circle is 17.5. This is 17.5. We have to find the width of the ring. That means we have to find this much. This is how much, this width is how much. Okay, that we have to find. So for that we need this capital R, the radius of the outer circle. We need the radius of the outer circle. Okay, then we can subtract the radius of the inner circle to get the width of the ring. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So okay, the area of the outer circle is given, so pi into r square is given, that is equal to 1386 centimeter square. Okay, so from here we will get r easily. So r square will be equal to 1386 divided by pi, and pi means 22/7. So 7 will go above. So now 22, and how do we cancel? 11 2 22, 11 1 11 2 28, 11 2 22, 6 11 6. Okay, and 2 again I will 2 6 2 3, 63 into 7. So 63 we can write 7 into 9 into 7. So this is r square, this is our r square. Okay, so now what will be r then? What will be r then? R will be equal to 7 into 3, that is equal to 21. Okay, so the radius of the outer circle will be 21. So what will be the width? We have to find the width. Width will be equal to capital R minus 17.5. Okay, that is the radius of the inner circle. 17.5 is the radius of the inner circle, that is given in the question. So 21 minus 17.5. So here give 0.5, so 18, 3.5, is not it? So 3.5, it is becoming 3.5. So is there any option? 3.5 centimeter. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, option 1 is the correct answer, 3.5 centimeter. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 156. If each edge of a cube is increased by 50%, the percentage increase in volume of the cube is what? Okay. So anyway, let us take the each edge of the cube is a unit. Okay, edge is a, edge is equal to a unit. Now then what will be the volume of the cube? Volume will be a cube. Okay, that is the initial. Now each edge is increased by 50%. So now the edge will be what? New edge. New edge will be what? 50% increasing. So a plus a by 2 unit, that is the new edge. So that is equal to 2a plus a, 3a by 2. So now what is the new volume? New volume, let me say Vn, new volume, that is equal to 3a by 2 whole cube. Okay, that is nothing but 27 by 8 a cube, that is cubic unit. Okay, you can write the units, cubic units. Anyway, we are solving MCQ, so I am skipping many things so that you have to understand. Okay, cubic unit. So now what is the increase in volume? What is the increase in volume then? Vn minus V, that is the increase, and that increase is in how much volume? In V, that is increasing Vn minus V. Okay, so what is Vn minus V? So Vn minus V will be equal to 27 by 8 minus 1 into a cube. That much increase is there. So in 1 cubic unit, how much increase? So this, if you calculate it, you will get 19 by 8, is not it? 19 by 8, yeah, 19 by 8 a cube divided by, in 1 unit by v, so by a cube, so do by a cube. So in 100 how much? Because percentage we have to find. So a cube here will be cancelled. So 19 by 8 into 100. So what we will get? 428, 425. So 25 into 19. 25 into 19, how much? Tell me. 25 into 19. 9 5 45, 5 4 9 2 18, 4 22 and 25. So 5 7 4 475 475 divided by 2. Okay, this is the percentage. This is the percentage. So how much? 22 236 127 237.5%. Okay, is there any option? Can you see? So what is the percentage increase in the volume of the cube? 237.5. So which option? Can you see? Option 3 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 157. Two cones with same base diameter 14 centimeter and height 15 centimeter are joined together along their bases. The volume of shape so formed is what? So that means what they are doing, we have two cones. This one is one cone and another cone is this one. They have joined these two cones. Okay. Anyway, my drawing is not good, but you have to understand this is a right circular cone. Okay. Two cones are there. This is also one cone and this is another cone. Okay, of same base diameter 14 centimeter. Base diameter is 14 centimeter. That means radius is 7 centimeter. Okay, r is equal to 7 for both the cones. R is equal to 7 centimeter and height for both the cones, height is 15 centimeter. So we have to find this total volume. Okay, we have to find this total volume. So total volume means we will find the volume of a single cone and then we will multiply it by 2 to get the volume of the total cone. So what is the volume of a single cone? 1/3 pi r square h. So pi r square means 7 square into h means 15. So therefore the required volume will be what? The required volume will be 2 into this 2 by 3 into pi, we will write 22 by 7 and 7 square, we will write 7 square into 15, that is cubic centimeter. Okay, or centimeter cube. So 7 1 7 will be cancelled. So 3 5 15. So what we will get? 44 into 35. 44 into 35 centimeter cube. Okay, so 44 into 35, how much that you see? 44 into 35, 5 4 20, 5 4 20, that means 22, and 3 4 12, 3 4 12 means 13. So 0 4 5 1 1540 1540 centimeter cube. So can you see the option? 1540 centimeter cube, that is the required volume. That means volume of the total combined figure. Okay, two cones we are joining. So option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. So this was question number 157. Now come to question number 158. So a solid metallic hemisphere of radius 8 centimeter is melted and recast into small spheres of radius 2 centimeter each. Number of small sphere. Okay, the total volume will be same. Here the concept is that the total volume of the small spheres will be equal to the volume of the hemisphere, solid hemisphere. Okay. So a solid metallic hemisphere of radius 8 centimeter. So what will be the volume then? Now volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So volume of a hemisphere is what? 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi r cube, 8 cube. Now that is equal to, suppose n number of small spheres are formed. Okay, n number of small spheres are formed. So what will be the total volume of n spheres? So n into 4/3 pi into r cube, the radius of each sphere is 2 centimeter. So 2 cube. Okay, so that is the relation. From here we have to find what is n. So pi will be cancelled, these three will be cancelled, these two will be cancelled, so 2 will be here. So 8 cube will be equal to n into 2 to the power 4. Okay, so therefore n will be equal to what? 8 into 8 into 8 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, that is, so 2 2 2 and 1 8 cancelled, and 2 4 8 4 8 32, n is equal to 32. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So n is equal to 32. So option 4 is the correct answer for this question. Option 4 is the correct answer. So now let's move to question number 159. The radii of bases of cone and cylinder are in the ratio 4:3. Okay, so radii of the cone, let me say r1. Okay, for cone I am taking radius as r1. Okay, and for the cylinder, the radius I am taking r2. Okay, and their heights are in the ratio 3:2. So for the cone I am taking height is h1, and for the cylinder height is h2. So what are the informations given then? So r1 by r2 is given, that is equal to 4/3. Okay, and what else is given? h1 by h2 will be equal to 3/2, that is given. Then ratio between the volumes of the cone and the volumes of the cylinder. Okay, so then what will be the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r1 square into h1. Okay, and what will be the volume of the cylinder? Pi r2 square into h2. This is h1. Okay, then what will be the ratio? Pi will be cancelled, so 1/3, let me keep it, and this will become r1 by r2 whole square, we can write, into h1 by h2, So all the informations are given. So 1/3 r1 by r2 means 4/3. See here, r1 by r2 is given 4/3. So this is will be 16/9, and h1 by h2 is given 3/2. So this I will write 3/2. So this will become 3 will be cancelled, 2 8 16. So 8 is to 9, 8/9. That means 8 is to 9. Okay, so the required ratio is 8 is to 9. So which option? Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, now let's move to question number 160. The largest sphere is carved out of a solid cube of side 21 centimeter. The surface area of the sphere is what? Okay, now can you tell me by visualizing that if a, what will be the diameter of the largest sphere which is carved out of a solid cube of side 21 centimeter will be what? The diameter will be equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, the diameter of the sphere will be equal to 21 centimeter. That is the main concept here. Okay, after that, that is easy, everyone can do. The diameter of the sphere will be 21 centimeter. That is the largest sphere that can be carved out of a solid cube of side 21 centimeter. Now the surface area of the sphere we have to find. Now what is the surface area of the sphere? Surface area, that means A is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. R means d/2. D is the diameter, so d/2 square. So that is equal to 4 into 22/7 into d/2. That means 21/2. 21/2 into 21/2. Okay, so 2 2 4 4 4 will be cancelled, and 7 3 21. So we are getting 66 into 21. Okay, 66 into 21. That's centimeter square anyway. The unit is centimeter square. In many places I am skipping the units, but you have to assume that is there. Okay, unit should be there. 66 into 21. 6, 12, 13. So 6, 8, 3, 1, 1386. 1386 centimeter square. So the surface area of the sphere is 1386 centimeter square. Okay, option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. So this was question number 160. Now question number 161. The sum of the radius of base and height of a solid right circular cylinder is 37 centimeter. Okay, sum of the radius of base and height. Okay, so let me say radius of base is r and height is h. So r plus h is given, that is equal to 37 centimeter. Or here let me skip this centimeter because r plus h both sides centimeter will be there. So don't write centimeter. If the total surface area of the solid cylinder is 1628 centimeter square, okay, what will be the total surface area of a solid cylinder? Suppose this is the cylinder. Now what will be the total surface area of this cylinder? That is the sum of the lateral surface area and both the surface area of the top and the surface area of the bottom. Okay, these two surface areas also we have to add with that. So the lateral surface area is how much? Pi r h, 2 pi r h. Okay, so lateral surface area is 2 pi r h and the surface area of the top and bottom is pi r square each. Okay, pi r square each. So it is equal to 2 pi r square. So this is the total surface area of the cylinder and that is given 1628. Okay, 1628. Now from here what we can do? 2 pi r we can take common. So we will get r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h, that is equal to 1628. So r plus h again it is given, it is equal to 37. Okay, r plus h is 37. So what we can do? R plus h we can put the value 37. So first let me cancel this 2. 2 8 16, 2 1 2 4 8 14. So pi r into 37 is equal to 814. Okay, now r is equal to what then? 814 divided by 37 divided by pi, that means 7 by 22. This. So now can we cancel anything? So 11 2 22, 11 7 77 and 4 74. Okay, 37 2 74 and 2 2 again it will be cancelled. So r is equal to 7. Okay, r is equal to 7. So if r is equal to 7, then h will be equal to what? Because r plus h is equal to 37, it is given. Okay, and we have got r is equal to 7. So what about h? So h is equal to 37 minus 7, that is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, so this is our r, this is r. Okay, and this is h is the height. So r and h both we have got. So what about the volume? Then we have to find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, see the question, we have to find the volume of the cylinder. So the volume will be V will be equal to, what was the formula for volume? Pi r square h, pi into r square into h. Okay, pi means again put the value 22 by 7 into 7 square into 30. So 7 will be cancelled. So we will get 22 into 210. Okay, 22 into 210, that is centimeter cube. Okay, that is the unit, centimeter cube. So 210 into 22, that means how much? Can you calculate? Okay, 21 into 22. I will multiply this two. 2, 2 to 4, and then again 2, 4. So 264, 462, 462 and 10 will be there. So that centimeter cube, 4620 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the cylinder. 4620, 4620. Okay, which option? Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, 4620. So let's go to the next question. A histogram is to be drawn for following frequency distribution. The adjusted frequency for class interval 15 to 25 is what? So for adjusted frequency, we have a formula. Adjusted frequency AF will be equal to okay, adjusted frequency will be equal to size of the minimum class. Okay, size of the minimum class, size of the minimum class divided by size of the given class, size of the given class into frequency of the given class, into frequency of the given class. Okay, that I am writing F. So size of the minimum class is what? See here, for the first class, what is the size of this class? 10 minus 5, that is equal to 5. Size means the length of the class. Okay, that is 5. Now 10 to 15, that is also equal to 5. 15 to 25, that is 10. Okay, 25 to 45, that is equal to 20, and 45 to 75, that is equal to 30. So what is the minimum? From here 5 we can see the minimum size is 5. So 5 I will write, and size of the given class. So given class interval is what? 15 to 25. 15 to 25. So what is that? 10 by 10 into frequency of the given class. So what is that? That is equal to 10. So that is 10. So 10 will be cancelled. We will get 5. So the adjusted frequency for class interval 15 to 25 will be equal to 5. Okay. So 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 163. The mean of 100 observations is 60. If one of the observation 60 is replaced by 210, then the new mean will be equal to what? Okay, the mean of the 100 observation is 60. That means the total of 100 observation will be equal to what? 100 into 60. So that is equal to 6000. Okay. Now one of the observation 60 is replaced by 210. So one of the observation 60 is replaced. So 60 I will discard from this 6000. So 60 if I discard, then what we will get? 0 4 9 5 5940. Okay, and it is replaced by 210. So again 210 I will add with this, 210 will be added with this. So if I add, then 0 415 9 to 11 516. Now that is the sum of all 100 observation is this one. Now new. Okay, so then what will be the mean? New mean will be what? So just 6150 divided by 100, do it. So 61.5, 61.5. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Very easy problem. Just you have to understand it and you have to do it quickly. Okay, because time limit is there, time is very less in KVS exam. So 61.5. So option 3 is the correct answer. So now this is question number 164. The width of each of 5 continuous class intervals in a frequency distribution is 5. Okay, width of the class intervals are 5 each. Okay, and lower class limit of lowest class interval is 25. That means from 25 it is starting, and the width of each class will be equal to 5. So the first class will be equal to 25 to 30. Then this is the first class. Second class will be equal to, okay, the width of each class of 5 continuous class intervals. Okay, 5 continuous class intervals. So second class will be 30 to 35, then 35 to 40, then 40 to 45, 1 2 3 4, and next 45 to 50. These are the 5 class intervals. Okay, the upper class limit of the highest class interval will be what? So this is the highest class interval, and what is the upper limit? 50. 50 is the upper limit, so 50 is the answer. So there is nothing to do in this problem, just understanding will work here. So option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. So next question number 165, the mode of the following frequency distribution is what? Okay, for a grouped frequency distribution, what is the formula for finding mode? That is important, that is you have to remember. So mode will be equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. That is the formula for finding mode. Now what is these terms? Whatever I have written here, I am telling one by one. If you want, you can copy in your you can write in your copy. So L is the lower limit of the modal class. Okay, L is the lower limit of the modal class. What is F1? F0, F1, F2. 3 frequencies are there. All these are frequencies: F0, F1, F2. So F0 is the frequency of the previous modal class or preceding to the modal class. Okay, F0 is the frequency of the class preceding to the modal class. Okay, F1 is the frequency of the modal class, and F2 is the frequency just after the modal class. Okay, so 3 frequencies are required, and H is the length of each interval. Okay, H is the length of each interval. So these terms we have to put here to find the mode of this frequency distribution. So modal class means which one will be modal class? Highest frequency. Where is the highest frequency located? So highest frequency you have to see, this 16 is the highest frequency. So this is the modal class. Okay, this is the modal class. So this is the modal class. So what is L then? L will be the lower limit of the modal class, that is equal to 30. So 30 plus F1 is the frequency of the class preceding to the modal class. So this one is F1. Okay, this is F0, and F1 is the frequency of the modal class F1, and this is F2. Okay, and what is H? H is the width of each class, that is equal to 10. See, the width of each class is 10 here. Okay, so now what is F1? F1 means 16. What is F0? F0 means 10. Now 2F1, 2F1 means 32, 16 into 2, 32, minus F0 means 10, and minus F2, F2 means 12, into H. H means what? 10. So just calculate it. 30 plus 16 minus 10 means 6, and 10, 12 means 22, 22 and 10, this will be 10 into 10. So 10, 10 will be cancelled, 30 plus 6, that is equal to 36. So 36 is the correct answer. Mode is equal to 36. Mode is equal to 36. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, option 2 is the correct option. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 166. Now for the frequency distribution, what is the median? Okay, we have to find the median. Now for a frequency distribution, what is the formula for finding median? Median will be equal to similar formula we have, L plus n by 2 minus C divided by F into H. So what are the terms indicating here? L is the lower limit of the median class, okay, and capital N is the total number of observations, that means the sum of the all frequencies, and C is the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class, okay, and F is the frequency of the median class, and H is the length of the median class, okay, H is the length of the median class. So one by one we will find. So what will be N, or what will be the cumulative frequency? First find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, another column I am forming here. So this is 5, then 5 plus 25 30, 30 plus 25 55, 55 plus 18 means 65, 73, 73 plus 7 means 80. Okay, this is the cumulative frequency. So capital N is equal to what? 80. So capital N by 2 is equal to 40. So where 40 will fall? This class, okay, 55, see here, this class is the median class. So this class is the median class, okay, this class is the median class. So we have determined median class. So what is the lower limit of the median class? That is equal to 20. So you can see plus N by 2 means 80 by 2 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class, okay, cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is equal to 30. This is our C. So 30 divided by F. F is the frequency of the median class, that is equal to 25. This is F, that is equal to 25 into H. H means the width of the median class, that means 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So 10. So 20 plus 40 minus 30 means 10, 10 by 25 into 10. Now 10, 10, 100, 25, 4. 20 plus 4 is 24. Okay, 24. So median is equal to 24. So which option? Can you see the option? Option 4 is the correct answer for the question. Okay, for this question, option 4 is the correct answer. So this was question number 166. Now next we will move to the question number 167. Now the point of intersection of the less than type and of the more than type ogives is this. This is the point of intersection, okay. Then we know that is the information. This information you have to remember, that the less than type and more than type ogives, where they will meet, the abscissa of that point will be the median of that distribution, okay. So median will be equal to 29.6, okay, this 29.6 will be the median. So this option number 1 is the correct answer. So next we will move to the question number 168. So what they are asking here, a bag contains 12 balls out of which X are red, okay, X are red. So red balls are red balls, and whatever the other balls, they did not give anything. Non-red, let me write non-red ball, okay, X balls are red, so non-red balls are 12 minus X, because 12 are the total balls, total number of balls is 12. So one ball is drawn at random from the bag and P is the probability that it is a red ball. So what will be the probability of getting a red ball from here? So this will be x divided by 12. Okay, that is the probability of getting a red ball, because x is the number of red balls and 12 is the number of total balls. Okay, so that is equal to p, that they have told. Okay, that is equal to p. P is the probability that it is a red ball. Now 6 more balls, more red balls are added to the bag. Then now what is the number of red balls? Okay, now what is the number of red balls and non-red balls or total balls? You can talk about total balls also. So 6 more red balls are added, so x plus 6 and total balls. Okay, write, instead of writing non-red balls, write total balls. Total balls will be 12 plus 6, that is equal to 18. So now what is the probability of drawing a red ball? What is the probability of drawing a red ball? X plus 6 divided by 18. Now that is equal to 2p. They have given that is equal to 2p. Then what is the number of red balls? That means x, we have to find x. So from these two relations, what we can write? This is one relation and this is another relation. So from these two relations, can we write that 2x divided by 12 is equal to x plus 6 divided by 18. So 2, 6, 12, 6, 3, 18. So that will imply 3x will be equal to x plus 6. So 2x is equal to 6. Okay, x is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. So number of red balls is 3. So option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now question number 169 is on the screen. Now from the month of July, whose first day is Monday, a day is selected at random. The probability that it is not a Monday is what? Okay. So month of July, how many days will be there? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So in July month, total 31 days will be there. Okay. In July month, total days will be 31. Now it is starting from Monday. Okay. See carefully, it is starting from Monday. Then it will end on Sunday. It will end on Sunday, 1 week. That is 1 week. Okay. Now 1 week we have taken 7 days. Then second week will come, second week will come, that is also 7 days. Then third week will come, that is also 7 days. All the weeks will start from Monday to Sunday. Okay, third week also Monday to Sunday. Fourth week also 7 days, that will start from Monday this is also Monday to Sunday. So fourth week means 28 days. We have covered 28 days. Okay, we have covered 28 days. Now 3 more days are remaining. So 3 more days will be what? Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, these are 3 days. So out of these 31 days, now can you tell me what will be the number of Mondays then? Now these 4 weeks will contain 4 Mondays. Okay, anyway, these 4 weeks will contain 4 Mondays and one more Monday is there. So total Monday is 5. Total Monday is 5. Number of Mondays is 5. Now the probability that it is not a Monday. So what is the probability that it will be a Monday? What is the probability that it will be a Monday? That is 5 by 31. Yes or no? Probability that it is a Monday. Okay, probability of Monday is equal to 5 by 31. So what is the probability that it is not a Monday? That is m complement will be equal to 1 minus 5 by 31, that is equal to 26 by 31. Okay, that it is not a Monday, that is 26 by 31. So which option will be correct? Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, 26 by 31. Now come to question number 170. A biased dice was rolled 600 times. The frequencies of the various outcomes are given in the following table. So outcome 1 will come 160 times, outcome 2 will come 130 times, outcome 3 will come 120 times, 4 will come 50 times, 5 will come 60 times and 6 will come 80 times. Okay. Now the dice is rolled once. The probability of getting a number which is a perfect square is what? Now in a dice, how many perfect squares are there? Only these 1 and 4. Is there any other? 1 and 4. These two are perfect square. So what is the number of favorable outcomes then? 160 plus 50. 160 plus 50, that is equal to 210. That is the number of favorable outcomes. Okay. And what is the total number of outcomes? We have to add these all total things. So 160 plus 130, just we have to add them. This we have to add all this. So 160 plus 130 means 290. 290 plus 100, 390 and 410. 410 and 50, 460. 460 and 60 means 520. 520 and 80 means 600. So 600, that is the total outcome, total number of outcomes. So the required probability will be 210 by 600. So 00 will be cancelled. So 3, 7, 21, 320, 7 by 20. 7 by 20 is the correct answer. Okay. So which option? Option 4 is the correct answer. 7 by 20. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now come to question number 171. A school has 4 clubs A, B, C and D. 9 class has 30 students. Okay. 9 class 30 students are there. So out of these 30 students, 6 students are in club A. Okay. In club A, 6 students. 7 in club B. Club B, 7 students. In club C, 2 students. In club C, 2 students and rest in D. Okay. So club D will contain how many students? So this is 6, 7, 13 to 15. So 15 students will be there because the total number of students are 30. Now what they are telling, a single student is selected at random from the class to act as class monitor. The probability that the selected student is from club A or D, that means probability of A or D, that is equal to nothing but probability of A plus probability of D. Okay, because what is the reason? These two are disjoint. Okay, mutually exclusive events. A and D are mutually exclusive events. Okay, because the students who are in club A, they will not be in club D. Okay, the club A students are different and club D students are different. So probability of A divided by plus probability of D. So probability of A will be what? So total number of student is 30 and in class A 6 students are there, so 6 by 30, and probability of D will be total 30 students again, and in class D how many students? 15, so 15 by 30, so this is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 5 to 10, 5 to 5, so 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is the correct answer. Okay, so which option? 7 by 10, that is option 1 is the correct answer, 7 by 10. So now let's move to the next question, question number 172. A box contains discs numbered from 10 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, the probability that its number on the disc is having both digits prime. Okay, 10 to 91. Okay, these digits are there, 10, 11, 12, 13, dot dot. Again here will come 20, 21, 22, dot dot. Then come 30, 31, 32, dot dot. Then 40 will come, 41, 42, dot dot. Then 50 will come, 51, 52, dot dot, it will go like that. Then 60, dot dot, then 70, dot dot, then 80, dot dot, then 90. Okay, here it will stop. So one disc is drawn at random from the box, the probability that its number on the disc is having both digits prime. Okay, 10 to 90 total how many discs are there? How many numbers are there from 10 to 90? Starting from 10 to 90, that is equal to 90 minus 10 plus 1, is not it? 90 minus 10 plus 1, that means equal to 81. So total number of discs are 81. So the denominator will be 81. Now how many such numbers are there whose both the digits are prime? Whose both the digits are prime? Can you tell? Okay, from 10, 0 is not a 0 is not a prime, not a composite, nothing. 1 is neither prime nor a composite. So it will start from 2. So 2 is a prime. Okay. So 2 is a prime, 1 is not a prime. So this line is not of any use. Okay, because 1 is not a prime. Both the digits must be prime. Okay, they have told. Now 2 is a prime. Okay, so in this list, how many primes, how many that type of numbers will be there whose both the digits are prime? See, 2 0 anyway we will not take, 2 1 1 is not a prime, so we will not take, 2 2 will be a number. Now next will come 2 3. Okay, that will work. 2 4 will not work because 4 is not a prime. 2 5 will work, 2 6 will not work, 2 7 will work, 2 8 will not work, 2 9 will not work. Okay, that means total 4 we are getting from here, total 4. Okay, in this list, in this row. Now come to the next row. 3 is a prime anyway, okay, but 3 0 is not a number under our consideration. Okay, 3 1 is not a number under our consideration because 3 1 is not a prime number, but 3 2 will work, 3 2 1, then 3 3, 3 4 will not be, 3 5 will be there, 3 6 is not, 3 7 will be there, 3 8 will be not, 3 9 will be not, so 4, here also 4. Now in this list, see, no number will be of our purpose because 4 is a composite number. Okay, 4 is a composite number, so this is discarded. Now again come to 5. So when we come to 5, 5 0 we will not take, so 5 1 we will not take, but 5 2 we have to take, 5 3 we have to take, 5 4 no, 5 5 yes, 5 6 no, 5 7 yes, 5 8 no, 5 9 no. Okay, then 4, here also it is 4. Now 6 is a composite number, so this row is discarded totally. Okay, this row is not of our use. So now 7 0, come to this row. Now 7 0 we will not take because 0 is not a prime number. So 7 1 we will not take, 7 2 we have to take, 7 3 we have to take, 7 4 no, 7 5 yes, 7 6 no, 7 7 yes, 7 8 no, 7 9 no. So here also 4, here also we are getting 4. Now 8 we will not take because 8 is a composite number, 9 is also a composite number, we will not take. So how many favorable outcomes we are getting then? Total number of favorable outcomes 4, this 4, this 4 and this 4. So how many? 4 16, 4 into 4 that is equal to 16. So this is 16 by 81. So it should be 16 by 81, but why it is not giving? Anyway, I think the concept you have understood. Okay, 16 by 81 should be the correct answer, but 16 by 81 is not there, 6 by 81 is there. I think these options are wrong. Okay, it should be 16 by 81, not 6 by 81, not 6 by 81, it will be 16 by 81. Okay, this question is also, in my opinion, this is, the options are wrong. Okay, question is okay, question is correct, the informations are correct, but the options are not correct. Okay, it should be 16 by 81, but don't forget to tell your opinion as well in the comment section. Okay, you should inform your opinion as well in the comment section. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 173. So all the red face cards are removed from a pack of 52 playing cards. A card is drawn at random from the remaining cards after reshuffling them. The probability that the card drawn is a face card is what? Okay, all the red face cards are removed. So total number of face cards are 12. Okay, that you have to remember these informations. In order to solve the problems from probability, you have to remember some informations regarding cards, playing cards. So face cards. So total number of face cards will be 12. Okay, total. Now out of them, red face cards are 6. Okay, red face cards are 6. Red face cards are 6 and black face cards are 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, so red face cards are removed. Okay, then how many face cards are there? Remaining face cards are 6. Remaining face cards are 6. So a card is drawn at random from the remaining cards after reshuffling them. The probability that the card drawn is a face card. So the number of favorable outcomes will be 6 and the total number of outcomes will be what? 52 minus 6, because 6 cards we have removed, 52 minus 6. So that is equal to 6 divided by 26, that is equal to 236 and 213, 3 by 13. It should be 3 by 13. Okay, sorry, here I did some mistake. That 52 minus 6 will be what? 52 minus 6 will be equal to 6 6 to 1 4 46. Okay, 6 by 46. So this will become 2 3 and 2 23. This is 3 by 23. Okay, 3 by 23. That is the correct answer, 3 by 23. So option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer for this question, 3 by 23. Now let's move to the next question, question number 174. Now read the question carefully. It is given that cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to p, then p square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1 is equal to what? So, okay, what we can do for that? Okay, p is equal to given that cosec theta plus cot theta. So, what about p square then? Okay, all the options are in forms of sine, cos, tan, cot. Okay, sine, cos, tan, cot. So, okay, let me see first. Cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta. Cosec theta cot theta, that is equal to p square. So, p square can we simplify? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, one more thing we can do. We know the relation that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, from here what we can do, a square minus b square formula if we apply, then cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Now cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to p, that is given. So from here we can write cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by p. Okay, that we can write, but will that help us anyway? Okay, cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by p, and cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to p. So if we add them, what we will get, 2 into cosec theta will be equal to 2 into cosec theta will be equal to p plus 1 by p. Okay, that means equal to p square plus 1 divided by p. Okay, again if we subtract them, both the equations we are subtracting. Okay, the second equation we are subtracting from the first equation, then cosec theta will be cancelled, and we will get minus 2 cot theta will be equal to 1 by p minus p, that we will get. Okay, so 2 cot theta we will get p minus 1 by p, p minus 1 by p, that is equal to p square minus 1 divided by p. Is it okay? So 2 cosec theta and 2 cot theta we have got. Now just what we have to find, p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So just we have to divide these two equations. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We will divide 2 by 1. Okay, we will divide 2 by 1. So we will get 2 cot theta divided by 2 cosec theta will be equal to p square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1. P will be cancelled anyway. Have you got the idea? This is the trick here. Okay. Now first I started in a different way, but that was not working. That will become lengthy. Okay. This way I was doing. This is becoming lengthy. Okay, this will not work here. So I have taken this technique. So this is giving us very easily the answer. So that will imply p square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1 will be equal to, now 2 will be cancelled, cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta will come above, then it will become sin theta. So sin theta will be cancelled, we will get cos theta. We will get cos theta. So cos theta is the correct answer. So which option? Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, cos theta is the correct answer. Now question number 175. Tan theta minus cot theta is equal to 5, that is given. Then we have to find the value of tan cube theta minus cot cube theta. That is also very easy. Okay, one formula, can you remember that a cube minus b cube? What was the formula for that? A minus b whole cube plus not plus, I will take here minus, minus 3ab into a minus b. Is it correct, or I have written something wrong? A cube minus b cube, a minus b whole cube means a cube minus 3a square b. So we are getting minus 3a square b, so it will be plus, anyway it will be plus 3ab into a minus b, plus 3ab square, so minus 3ab square will be cancelled, minus b cube. Okay, this is correct. So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Now this formula we will apply here. Now tan cube theta minus cot cube theta will be equal to what? Tan cube theta minus cot cube theta. A is equal to tan theta, here this is our a cube and this is our b cube. Okay, so this we are putting, so tan theta minus cot theta whole cube plus 3 into tan theta into cot theta. So tan theta into cot theta into tan theta minus cot theta. So tan theta minus cot theta means 5 whole cube means 125, plus 3 into tan theta into cot theta means 1. So 3 into 5, 15. So 125 plus 15, that is equal to 140. Okay, 140. So 140 is the correct answer. So option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now question number 176. So here they are telling that ABC is a right angled triangle. Okay, ABC is a right angled triangle where angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle C is acute angle. Then value of sin C plus cos C. Angle B is equal to 90 degree, then angle A plus angle C will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, because angle B is 90 degree. So we have to find the value of sin C plus cos C. Sin C plus cos C. What we can do? Can you have any idea? In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Okay, angle C is acute angle, it is also okay. Value of sin C plus cos C. Okay, sin C we can write, how we can write sin C? Sine of 90 degree minus A, but will that give us any benefit? 90 degree minus A plus cos C. That is equal to cos A plus cos C. Okay, cos A plus cos C. Now here we can apply the formula for cos C plus cos D. Okay, that is equal to 2 into cos of C plus D by 2, that means A plus C by 2, into cos of C minus D by 2, that means A minus C by 2. That is equal to 2 into, now A plus C is 90 degree. Here see, A plus C is equal to 90 degree. I have written. So A plus C by 2 means 45 degrees. So cos 45 degree, and cos of A minus C by 2. A minus C we don't know anyway. So cos 45 degree means 1 by root 2. So 2 and 1 by root 2 will be cancelled. So it will become root 2 into cos of A minus C by 2. Now the value of sin C plus cos C is more than 1, 1, less than 1 but more than half, and 1 by 2. So which option will be correct? Because A minus C we don't know. So what we can do? Okay, anyway, the value of cos of A minus C by 2 will always be equal to less than equals to 1 and greater than equals to minus 1. So just multiply by root 2. Root 2 cos of A minus C by 2 will be less than equals to root 2 and greater than equals to minus root 2. And what is the value of root 2? 1.732, approximate value 1.732. So less than equals to, this is nothing but our sin C plus cos C, whatever in the question they have given. Okay, sin C plus cos C, and this is 1.732. So that means it is more than minus 1.5 but less than 1.7. Okay, more than minus 1.7 and less than 1.7. So which option then? If you see option 1, more than 1, that may be more than 1 because its range is 1.732. One is not correct answer. Less than 1 but more than half. Less than 1 but more than half. It may be less than 1. It may be more than half. Okay, 1 and half. We are plotting 1 and half. This is a 0. This is a half. This is 1. Okay, and 1.5, 1.7 will be somewhere here, 1.7, 1.7, and in this side also say this is minus half, this is minus 1, and this is minus 1.7. Okay, minus 1.7. So whatever condition we have got, the value will lie between minus 1.7 to 1.7. So this is the range. So option 1 is telling more than 1, more than 1. Okay, it is not completely correct. More than 1 is not completely correct. Okay, because it cannot be more than 1.7. Okay, option 1 is telling only more than 1. More than 1 means 2 is also more than 1, but 2 cannot be the value of sin C plus cos C. So option 1 is wrong. Now option 2 is telling 1. Now when it will be 1? If A minus C by 2 is equal to again 45 degree, that means A minus C is equal to 90 degree, which is not possible. Okay, A minus C is equal to 45 degree. A minus C is equal to 45 degree, is it possible? That means A minus C is equal to 90 degree. A plus C is equal to 90 degree they are telling, but A minus C is equal to 90 degree, it is not possible. Okay, because C is acute angle. So this is also not possible. 2 is also not correct. Less than 1 but more than half. Less than 1 but more than half. There is a possibility. Okay, this is lying inside our region. There is a possibility. And half, only half. Only half, when it will be half? Half is also not possible. One value will not possible. How if it would be half, then 2 root 2. This value should be 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2. Cos of A minus C by 2. See, cos of A minus C by 2 should be equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Is it possible? 1 by 2 root 2. This value is less than 1. This is also not possible. 1 by 2 root 2. No, no. 1 by 2 root 2 is not less than 1. This is also possible. Half is also possible. But then we are creating doubt between 3 and 4. Okay, half is also the value. Half is also possible. Half may be possible. Okay, some more information should be given, I think. Here we have doubt between option 3 and option 4. Okay, so we are keeping this problem on hold, and you tell me your opinion as well, that what should be the correct answer for this question. Okay, I am keeping this problem on hold. So question number 176, we have some doubt in the options. Okay, so anyway, let's move to the next question. Question number 177. So value of cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. So we have to find the value of cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Now cos square theta into 1 plus tan square means sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. So 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square theta. So cos square theta into sec square theta is equal to 1. So 1 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer. Now question number 178. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. It is given. We have to find the value of 4 sin theta cos theta. So sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. Now square both sides. Okay, so we will get left hand side sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this one and this one will be cancelled. So we are getting 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of 4 sin theta cos theta. Just multiply by 2 both sides. 4 sin theta cos theta is equal to also 0. Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer for this question. Now question number 179. A kite is flying at a height of 30 meter from the ground. Okay, the length of the string from the kite to the ground is 60 meter. The length of the string. Okay, assuming that there is no slackness in the string, the angle of elevation of kite at the ground is what? That means the kite is at a height of 30 meter from the ground. So this is 30 meter, and the length of the string from the kite to the ground is 60 meter. That means this is 60 meter. This is 60 meter. So this is say A, B and C. Assuming that there is no slackness in the string, the angle of elevation of the kite at the ground is what? That means this angle we have to find. This is say theta. Okay, and this is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. So what we have, AC by BC, that means perpendicular by hypotenuse, sin theta. AC by BC is equal to sin theta. So AC is equal to 30, BC is equal to 60, is equal to sin theta. So from here we are getting sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what? Theta is equal to what? Then theta is equal to 30 degree. Sin 30 is equal to half. Theta is equal to 30 degree. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. Now question number 180. A man standing on the top of 50-meter tower, 50-meter high tower, observes two cars on the opposite sides of the tower with angles of depression 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Okay, angle of depression is 45 degree and 30 degree, and this is 50 meter. So both sides two cars are there. Okay, one side it is 45 degree and one side it is 30 degree. Okay, my drawing is may not be perfect, but you have to assume that whatever I am telling, you have to assume that. So this is 45 degree and this is 30 degree. Okay, angle of depression. Depression means actually we have to do like that. We have to draw a parallel line to the ground, and this is equal to 30 degree. Okay, and this is equal to 30 degree means this will be equal to 30 degree anyway, and this is equal to 45 degree. This side, this will be equal to 45 degree. That is the definition of angle of depression. Okay, this is equal to 45 degree. So this is 45 degree means this is 45 degree, and this is 30 degree means this is 30 degree. Now the distance between two cars is what? That means suppose this is x and this is y. So we have to find x plus y. Okay, for that what we can do? Okay, from the left hand side right angle triangle, what we can do? X by 50. X by 50. That means base by perpendicular. That is equal to cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree, and that is equal to 1. So x is equal to 50. Okay, x is equal to 50 we have got. Now come to the right hand side right angle triangle. Now from there we can write y by 50 is equal to cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree. Okay, so y is equal to cot 30 degree means what? 50 root 3. Cot 30 degree means root 3. So what is x plus y then? 50 into 1 plus root 3. So that is x plus y. This meter. Okay, the unit is given in meter, so this will be this meter. So 50 into 1 plus root 3 meter. So which option? Can you see? Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so anyway, this was the last question of this session, and also this is the last question of the KVS TGT question paper, which was held on 14th February 2023. So we have solved all the 100 questions starting from question number 81 to question number 180. Okay, and all the detailed solution we have given, we have explained all the reasons. Okay, and wherever shortcut tricks are applicable, there we have applied the shortcut tricks also to save your time. So all these videos will be helpful those who have already written the TGT exam, KVS TGT exam, because they can check their answers also whether they have done correct or wrong, or they can match with the answer keys also, that whether the answer keys whatever they have provided to us, those are correct or wrong, where they can raise some objection. For that also they will get some ideas about that. And apart from that, or apart from them, whoever are willing to write some teaching exams, whether it is TGT or PGT, whether it is for some state or the central government teaching exams, for all of them these videos will be same helpful. Okay, so don't forget to share these videos with your known ones who are preparing for TGT or PGT mathematics exams, teaching exams. Okay, and those who are new to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe this channel for getting these types of videos further. Okay, and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my new videos. And if you find these videos helpful, don't forget to like the videos. Okay, and for the previous videos I have given all the links of the previous videos in the description box. You can go to the description box and you can check out your useful ones. So today's session we are ending here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.